Make your English sound more natural. Look, do you see all these boats? Do you hear all these people? I am at a floating market in Thailand, and today we are going to shop, eat, and bargain. All in English. Are you ready? Before we start shopping, let's learn 8 new words. Number 1, floating market. A market where people sell food and goods from boats on a river or canal. Look around. Every boat is a little shop. Number 2, vendor. A person who sells things at a market. The lady on that boat selling mangoes, she's a vendor. Number 3, boat, canoe. A small vehicle that moves on water. At the floating market, the boats are the shops. Number 4, fresh, new, clean, and good to eat. Not old. The fruits and vegetables here are so fresh. Look at those green leaves. Number 5, coconut. A big brown fruit with sweet water inside. You will see coconuts everywhere at the floating market. They are delicious. Number 6, souvenir. A small thing you buy to remember a place. When I go home, I want to remember this day, so I will buy a souvenir. Number 7, bargain. To talk about the price and try to pay less. At the market, you can bargain. You can ask, "Can I pay a little less?" Number 8, canal. A narrow river made by people, not nature. Floating markets are often on canals, small waterways through the city. Great job. Those are your 8 words. Now let's use them in a real conversation. Wow, look at all the boats. Every vendor is calling out, "Come, come, fresh fruit. Try my noodles. It's so exciting."
Hello, young lady. You like something? I have many beautiful things. Handmade from Thailand.
Oh, these are so beautiful. I'm looking for a souvenir, something small to remember this place.
I have just the thing.
Look at this little wooden boat. Just like the floating market.
Wow, that's perfect. How much is this?
200 baht.
200 baht. Can I have a discount?
For you, young lady, 150 baht. You speak English so nicely.
Thank you, that's a good price. I will take it. Do you smell that? I smell coconut pancakes. I'm hungry! Let's go find those pancakes. Now it's your turn. Fill in the missing words. Ready? I'm looking for a... souvenir. How is this? Much. Can I have a discount? That's a good price. I will take. Well done. You are ready to shop at a floating market. Quiz time. Let's test what you learned. 4 questions. Question 1. What do you call a market where people sell from boats? A, supermarket. B, floating market. C, night market. Correct answer is B, floating market. Question 2. What word means to try to pay less money? A, bargain. B, borrow. C, breakfast. Correct answer is A, bargain. Question 3. What do you call a small thing you buy to remember a trip? A, sandwich. B, sweater. C, souvenir. Correct answer is C, souvenir. Question 4. Which phrase is polite to ask the price? A, give me that. B, how much is this? C, I want it now. Correct answer is B, how much is this? Amazing. You got them all. Let's quickly review what we learned today. 8 words. Floating market, vendor, boat, fresh, coconut, souvenir, bargain, canal. Key phrases. How much is this? I'm looking for, can I have a discount? That's a good price. I'll take it. And next time, Emma is going somewhere very tall, with the most amazing view in Bangkok. Can you guess where? Next time you visit a market, try asking, "How much is this?" in English. Practice makes perfect. See you in the next episode. Episode 19, coming soon.